Every second there is a signal that matters. A system checks in. A life safety event is happening, and someone, somewhere, is depending on that message to arrive. At M2M Services, we don't just manufacture devices. We operate the communication layer that connects security, safety, and response services. Our platform enables the critical systems to speak reliably, securely, and continuously with monitoring service providers around the globe. Every installation of M2M's offerings enables a service. Every device becomes a persistent connection. Every signal delivers actionable information. From intrusion and fire to video and access control, our infrastructure keeps people and properties connected and protected. We design and produce our own hardware for one reason: reliability can't be outsourced. Purpose-built, certified, designed to last for years or even decades in regulated environments where failure isn't acceptable. Our technology is embedded across manufacturers, dealers, and monitoring companies worldwide. They deploy our solutions. We deliver reliable and expanding services for their customers, quietly, millions of times every day, because security isn't delivered by a device. It is an ongoing conversation, and M2M Services makes sure that conversation never stops. Reliable connectivity and response doesn't happen by accident. We utilize and coordinate our global R&D team to design a cohesive set of products and services designed in collaboration with our partners. Protecting millions of homes and businesses, utilizing state-of-the-art servers globally deployed, highly secure and fully redundant. We listen, we design, and together we deliver the most innovative solutions for intrusion, fire, access control, and video, meeting the increasingly demanding expectations of our global customer base and partners. M2M Services, the communication infrastructure behind modern life safety.